I look very art right now. Jake Young. Hey guys, and welcome to... It's Monday right now, and I forgot to upload my video yesterday and edit it. Yeah, so we'll do that eventually. Anyways, this is how my week went. Ooh. Hi, good morning, Alfie. Good morning. Yes, he's a cutie. Oh my gosh, it is bright. I am freezing cold. My window is open. Appears that my class is canceled, so that is I don't know. Don't know how I feel about this. I don't know. I just am like, what? Why? And it says check your email, and I did, and there's nothing there. So really, it's like really, yeah. I don't know. But I have this, so that is okay, but not great. We are on the train right now. Just kidding, it's just me. And we're going about 5 miles an hour. It's really slow, and I've been on this train for maybe, I don't know, like maybe an hour and a half now. Oh my gosh, are we going faster? Nope. I think we're still going the same speed. Wait a second. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Good. Happy Tuesday. I know what day it is today. Unlike all of the rest of the vlogs where I'm like, what day is it? Oh, it's Tuesday. But look, Sir Mr. Royal Highness has decided that my clothes are where he wants to sleep, and I've tried so hard to remove him from the spot, and he always goes back there, and it's really annoying, and I don't like it, and yeah. Okay. Hello. Hello. I have a new video up on my main channel, youtube.com/Jake the Young. It is a short film. Yes. It looks a little bit like this. Yeah, so if you want to see the rest of it, go to my main channel and see it. Link in the description. Ding!
That one was spicy. I'm Kim Kardashian.
Guys, he's dead. He's staring at it. He's weird. Whee! Mom, you're going way too fast. You're going like 120 miles an hour. What do you have to say for yourself?
Just some good old boys. Never meaning no harm.
Vroom vroom. Yeah, our car's a little bit broken, so yeah.
Looking for this. Is that my voice? Is that my voice? Oh well.
Mom! Mom! Mommy! Mommy! Mama! Mama! Mama!
What?
Hi.
Good afternoon. I'm making food. My mom's gotta ship some packages out because she's a business person. Ain't that right, Mom? I can't find you. There you are. I would just like to point out that every day is a cheat day, and I'm on the diet. No, I'm not. It's every day is a cheat day. Pizza. Good. Hello. Hello, what are you doing? You are being silly. You are a silly kitty. Hello, hi, I don't know what. Hi. Getting a haircut today. It's Friday. It's a little bit long, as you can see, so yes. What is this? Like, oh my gosh. What the heck? There's just so much traffic happening, and we've been in the car for like almost 20 minutes now to get across town, which takes like 10 minutes, but we're not even getting across town. We're getting like halfway across town, which only takes about 7 minutes. So this sucks. Yeah. Have I shown you my new haircut yet? It's like shaved on that side, and maybe not as much on that side. I haven't done anything to my hair today. I'm wearing all the colors that are not colorful. They're all shades of something. White and black are not colors, okay? Whoa. Also, I cut myself while shaving because I shaved my neck, but I cut myself while shaving for like the first time in like 2 years. So this is a moment. I'm having a moment. Moment is over, okay. I'm probably gonna tell a bunch of people about it later tonight. Whoa, my thing's dirty. Okay, hello. It's Sunday? What's today? Siri, what day is it?
It's Sunday, May 24th, 2015.
It's Sunday! I hope I put this video up today because I don't have school tomorrow because it's Memorial Day tomorrow. Anyways, so, I was violated today and it was bad. There was a spider. It was in my bed. It was horrible. I almost died, okay? I almost died. There was a spider in my bed. I almost died. It was terrifying, and I killed it with a shoe after I screamed for a little bit. So, and I burnt down my house. This isn't my house, actually. I had to rebuild it all from scratch today in like an hour. It happened. Guys, it is Jake from the future, and it's Thursday right now at 9 in the morning. You'd think, Jake, you had all this free time, and you didn't edit your video and put it up on time? You are bad. Anyways, that was what I did this week. Be sure to do the things, like this video, perhaps, if you enjoyed it, and then you can subscribe if you're interested in that car going by, or myself. Watch, I just took my glasses off. That was cool. Anyways, bye.